Hey everybody, this is Miss Nichols. Today's lesson is going to be on science. So our sheet just says, I'm working on science. And we're just going to review our rules. So remember, we have nice hands, a quiet voice, we're looking, and we're sitting during the lesson. So today's lesson is all about sight. So remember that we are working on the 5 senses. So the first one that we're working on is our sight, which we use our eyes to see. So I'm going to read a story, and then we're going to review some questions and look at some vocab words. So our story is called After the Sun. Pitter patter, the rain is falling so hard and smooth. I must stay inside today. I cannot play outside. I cannot take my dog for a walk or even fly my kite. I look out the window and what do I see? Wet trees, wet cars, and even my bicycle is wet from the cold rain. Clouds are in the sky and the rain is stopping the sun from shining through. Wait, I see the sun. The sunlight is bright and warm. The clouds have moved away and the rain has finally stopped. I'm going to take my dog for a walk outside. What a pretty day it has become. My dog Basil and I are walking down the street when all of a sudden I look up and I see beautiful colors in the sky. I see the color red. I see the color orange. I see the color yellow. I see the color green. I see the color blue, and I see the color violet. This rainbow is amazing. My dog Basil loves it too. So there's our rainbow. All right, and we are going to look for our question at the bottom. So remember that science is all about asking questions. And how we know something is a question is our question mark. Okay, so there's our question mark. So we're going to find our question mark right here, and we're going to read our question. So it says, I'm starting to wonder, Wally, what makes the rainbow's colors? All right, so let's look at our workbook. So you all should all have a copy of the stories and of the work pages. If you don't have them printed, you'll have them digitally. So these are this is for lesson 2 on sight. So it just says, what makes the rainbow's colors? Okay, so with a rainbow is actually from light, which is what our eyes see. Our eyes see light. So our first question says, what makes the rainbow's colors? So we know that light is what makes our rainbow's colors. And then this is another question. What makes the rainbow's colors? So this is just the same one. So you all can answer this at home. So light, grass, moon, or rain. You all can point to the screen to say out loud what the answer is, or you can use your communication device to answer. All right, so again, we're just going to review. So it says, I can blank colors and sizes. Okay, so what do you think? So it says run, see, cook, or hold. So colors are something that we see, and sizes are as well. Something's really big, something's really little. So I can see colors and sizes. A rainbow has many different, and here's our options, waters, animals, gold, or colors. So we know that a rainbow has many different colors. So in this picture, we see yellow, blue, and red. And then when they are together, they make different colors. All right, and this you all can do at home. So first one says, what kind of light made the rainbow's colors? And then right down here, draw a picture of a rainbow. So a lot of the times when it rains outside and then we get light, we'll see rainbows. All right, so our sight words for this story and for this lesson. So the first one we're going to talk about is science. So there's all different kinds of pictures of science. I have some different pictures here. This is a picture of somebody planning something. So science is really about asking questions. So looking at the world around us and asking questions. So we know that to be a scientist, all you have to do is ask questions and look for answers. So here's a picture of our scientist. And remember that anyone can be a scientist. All right, and then our question that I want to review is, so what are my 5 senses? So I want to review those with us. So our first one that we've talked about today is sight, to see. So we use our eyes. We have 2 eyes, and we use those to see. All right, we're also going to talk about smell. So smell is one of our 5 senses. So we use our nose to smell. We can hear, and we use our ears to hear. We have taste. So we use our tongue and our mouth to taste. And feel. So in this picture, we're using our hands, but you can feel with other parts of your body as well. So those are our 5 senses. All right, guys, I'm going to play a video for you all as well, just to watch on site. And I'd love to see your pictures of rainbows, and I will see you all soon.